we are going to start to introduce the ERP system and shows how it works on the computer. Yeah. So firstly, just type the we just search from Google and find find the software. And we try to download those things from the website. You can see on the link. Yeah, and we download that. Right now, we just finished downloading the patron. Yeah, and we try to log into the website again and see download the because so we just log into the website and see how the process going and try to start download again. What's that? Okay, the next step we're trying to download the Java is pretty important things for the ERP system, and create a website also very useful, and it seems to be cool. And from the website, just download, click the image, and the shows the whole process going. Try to find out which one is the best one. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, okay, and I will continue with how to run the Java K7. Yeah, and now we just typing. Oh, yeah, clicking this tab. Yeah, okay, next step we'll go to the computer property and advanced system setting and the environment variance. We create a new variable and name the Java home. And for the value, we go to the computer to the local where the Java are. Yes, here is it. And Java 7, we go to bin. Oh no, now we copy the address for this file. Yeah, and put in the value. Yes, and yeah, yes, and okay. Yes, and after that we will to yeah to install all these two files. Okay, and we will have the same setting for the Apache BAT. Yeah, and we add uh yes, and now we go to oh, yeah now we go to the address of for Apache. Yes, this address and copy the address and into to the BAT the value and put OK. And same with this one. Go to bin and copy this address. Yes, and press OK.
Now we open the download compressed Apache and then we download Apache from the Apache folder and copy this one to the prompt cd command, and then enter and type this empty space run bar and install and enter, and we type and space load dash demo and enter. Now we link the file.
Size.
Okay, now we are going to open the file where we extracted Apache Office, and we are going to see the tools, go into the tools folder and then execute the start office file, and it's going to create the port between the it creates the port between the client and the server. There we can see the response message is a success, and now we are going to the Internet Explorer and open a new tab. There type http://localhost:8443/catalog catalog/control/main, and then click on proceed anyway. It asks for a username and password. The username is admin and the password is ofbiz, OFBIZ, and click on login. Here we are going to create a new catalog, new product catalog. Product ID, product category ID is 0001112, and the product category type is eBay. Product category name is cars, and the product category description is sports. Category image URL. Now we are going to copy the part of the product image and paste it on the category image URL, and then now we are going to save the category image URL. It's in the pictures folder of the laptop, and then we are going to update it. and we are going to choose the file personally while updating it, and then upload. We are going to upload it personally, and when we click on the upload image, we can get a new page. Here we select the category page, and this is our client side page, and here we can see our products on the website. And that is basically the ERP installation of Office. Thank you.